Let's look at the RoundTrip Learning model we use in the DART project. In our model, we make a distinction between study and practice. Everything above the line is study. Everything below the line is practice. It begins with a learning plan, which describes what will be learned, what students will be asked to do, and how both you and students will know that it's been learned. It continues to the interaction phase, which describes how students will work with the content on their datacasting receivers. Will they take notes? Will they make video responses? Will they use the material as raw materials for other products and presentations they're making? That's what they do as they're practicing. We return to study in the next phase, and that is feedback, which describes how students will give and receive feedback and comments on their work using the available return paths. Will they be able to access our community of practice where discussions take place? Will they use email, text, cell phones, thumb drives? Whatever method they have to use, that's what they're going to be using. And the process completes with the revision, where we determine how students will use the feedback they got to improve their work and to also determine whether they're done. Is this now ready for final approval? So this is the ecosystem that we're using within the DART project. Let's see what happens at school and what happens at home. The learning plan begins at school, and it may include activities from a learning management system, class or team projects, or even activities that are designed specifically to strengthen and deepen the classroom learning through practice at home. And this is where they're working and interacting with the content that's on the datacasting receivers. The return path is the combination of feedback and revision. And this is how students are going to reach back to the schools. That's the key project research question for us. What works to support all of our families? Our entire ecosystem is designed to provide opportunities to learn key 21st century skills, and that's going to be the subject of our next video. But for now, you see what RoundTrip Learning consists of and what parts of it are at school and home and how the datacasting receivers contribute to that learning. Thanks a lot.